Oh, hi dear Geminis, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a journal of reading for all the Geminis, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. The third thing, this is a reading from 22nd till the end of November. So let's start. So your partner's current feelings for you are what your partner is feeling for you. Let's see. Gemini, what your partner is feeling for you. Devil, Gemini, your partner is very addicted to you, or they are very obsessed with you, or there is a third party situation here that I have to clarify. But your partner is definitely very addicted to you. They can't let you go, even if they are trying very hard to let you go, even if they are trying their best to make this relationship a healthy one, or just to make this connection work out in a healthy manner. I don't see that happening. They feel like they're obsessed with you. They feel like they're stuck with you and not able to move on, no matter how hard they are trying to move on, or no matter how hard they are trying to be positive or hopeful in this situation, but they are somewhat stuck and obsessed and possessive, not possessed, possessive. Let me clarify the devil for the current feelings for you. Two of swords and the nine of swords and the strength card could be dealing with a Leo here or Capricorn. Okay, this person is right now, this person is conflicted. They're on the crossroads, not able to decide the future of this connection. They are living in constant anxiety and stress and pressure. Okay, and they're holding back a lot of things from you. I feel like most of you guys are not talking to each other, and this person is highly obsessed with you. They are not able to let you go, no matter how hard they are trying. This person is trying their best to let you go, but they are not able to do that because they are highly obsessed or highly possessive about you. Okay, they can't let you go. Addicted to you, kind of addicted to you. They're trying their best to do this, but not able to do that. This is the thing. Okay, let's see what's your feelings for them, Gemini. What do you feel for this person? Your current feelings for them. Ten of Pentacles. You feel like this person is like your family, or you want a long-term committed relationship with them and or marriage with them. But you definitely feel like this person is your family, and you also can't let them go because you feel like, yeah, I have lots of love for them. I see them as my family. I can't just let them go like this. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles as your feelings for them. Let's see. The devil is also here, Queen of Wands and the King of Swords. There's a third party situation here. Definitely there's a third party situation between you guys. Heavy third party situation, okay? You can't let this person go because you are very passionate about them. And you are feeling like they should leave the third party and have a long-term committed relationship with you. You feel like this person is your family because you are also codependent on them. You are also obsessed with them. You can't let them go because you are highly attracted towards them. You're highly passionate about them, and you're trying to hide your feelings. You're trying your best to hide your feelings, or to show them that you don't care, but you really do. You really do. You're kind of stuck on them. They're kind of stuck of you, stuck on you, and you're kind of stuck on this person. This is the situation here. Heavy third party situation here, and heavy Capricorn energy here. This person can't let you go, or this person might be not able to let go the third party. Still he is so much connected to you. Still he is on the crossroads, not able to decide which one is the best option for them. Okay, and you on the other hand are waiting on them to leave the third party and be with you. This is what is happening, Gemini. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Four of Pentacles. Right now they want you to release the control. They feel like you are a control freak, or you're trying to control each and everything in your life, and this is making your life hell as well as their life hell. They want you to release the control. They want you to open up and communicate openly and honestly with them. Okay, and don't just assume things. Don't just don't just try to control everything, and don't just try to stick to the past, or stick to the situation where you can't do anything. They just want you to release the situation, release the burden. Let me clarify the Four of Pentacles as what they want from you. The Moon could be dealing with the Pisces here, the Ace of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. Ooh. Okay. This person wants you to come out of this unknown fear that you are dealing with right now, Gemini. They want you to restart this connection. They just want you to leave the past behind, release the past, and restart this connection. They want to have a victorious start with you, and they want to start as a friend. Okay, as a passionate kind of energy, as a friend kind of energy. They just want you to explore the things with them, with a new energy. Release the past and explore the things with them with a new energy, with newfound passion or fire. It could be dealing with a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius here. Air energy is also here, and Pisces is also here. So anyway, sign doesn't matter, signs, zodiac doesn't matter here. The energies are telling me, they just want you to release the control and come out of this fearful zone. You are living in some kind of fear right now, unknown fear that you can't describe to anybody, right? And they just want you to be victorious with you. They just want to have a victorious start with you, restart with you, and they just want to explore things where they are going. They just want you to explore things where they are going with them. Okay, so they just basically want you to release the past, release the negative energy, and restart and give this connection another chance. Even if they are not telling you this, but energetically they want this from you. Let me see, what do you want from this person, Gemini? Ace of Wands. See, you both are dealing with the same energy. You and them both are stuck on each other, both are possessive, both are obsessive over each other, both are being impatient. What you want from them is brand new beginning. You want them to realize that you are the one for them. You are their life partner, or you are their long-term committed connection, and you are the one who holds the most passionate energy towards them. This is what you want from them. You want them to realize and open up their eyes and exactly see where it is, where the connection is going, and that you are the one for them. This is what you want from them. Let me clarify. Ten of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands and the Eight of Swords. You want prosperity with them. You want long-term happiness with them. See, Ace of Wands is twice here. Ten of Pentacles is twice here. Devil card is twice here. Both of you are similarly, mirroring each other, kind of twin flames energy. You are feeling the same. They are feeling the same. You guys are kind of twin flames right now. So they want you to take a stand for this connection and make this connection a long-term committed relationship, and come out of this jail or mental jail, or come out of this trauma of the third party situation, or come out of this foundation. They feel like you are in certain kind of foundation right now. Might be for some of you divorce cases happening. You are trying to separate from somebody, for somebody. So it is like they want you to come out of that hurtful situation, come out of this bondage situation that you have created for yourself. They want you to take a stand for this connection. They want this connection to become a marriage and a long-term committed thing in the future, and they want to have a brand new start. They want you to realize, you want them to realize, I'm really sorry. This is what do you want from them. So you want a brand new start with them, and you want them to realize the love, the potential of this connection. You want this connection to work out in the long term, and you want them to take a stand for this relationship and come out of the bondage or boundaries of the third party situation. Okay, this is what you want from them. Got it? So I changed the pattern of my reading, so I'm a little confused. Really sorry about this. I hope you don't mind it, right, Gemini? So let's see what is coming towards you till the end of November. World, completion of a cycle. I have to check that out, if it is the final breakup or if it is the completion of a cycle and restart of something new with the same person. I have to check that out. That there is a completion of a cycle that is coming towards you. till the end of November. Is something that is coming to an end. Let me clarify. Seven of Pentacles, King of Cups, and the Four of Cups. I feel like one cycle is completing and you're just waiting for the love. I think the past hurt is completing, the past hurt is over. If it is not over yet, it is going to take some time for this healing thing to be done. I think like one cycle is completing, one chapter is closing off, and another is starting in your life. But again, I can see a confusing energy here. You are waiting for the love of your life. You are waiting for this person to come towards you and offer you love. But again, I don't see this person is very much sure about the future of this connection. So something is ending and you are waiting for something to happen. Okay, you are waiting for this person to come towards you with love offer. But again, this person seems to be confused about this thing right now, or you seem to be confused, or it could be you who is like confused whether to accept their love offer or not, whether to give this person another chance or not. It's kind of confusing energy that you're going to be until the till the end of November. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, Gemini. Bye bye, see you.